Hey guys, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Today we are doing a really cool recipe. We are making chicken sausage burgers with cilantro aioli. The recipe is super simple, execution is even simpler. So without any further ado, let's get this awesome recipe started, Basant style. I'm gonna go over the basic ingredients. As usual, everything will be posted in the description box. We are using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, chili flakes, oregano, onion powder, parsley, cumin powder, lime juice, fennel, and basil. Sharp cheddar, mayo for aioli, 5 pounds of ground thigh meat with fat, sliced tomatoes, onions, cilantro. This is my favorite part. I'm using Hawaiian buns and lettuce. So this is it, guys. All the ingredients are in. Now let's get this awesome recipe started. So I'm using 5 pounds of chopped meat, but if you want to make lesser quantity, you can just cut the recipe in half. I like to make it and then leave it in the refrigerator for a few days so we can have sausages with breakfast sandwiches and pancakes. It's really cool. It's very versatile and it just works for the rest of the week if you like. So I'll season the meat first. Once that's done, it's going to go in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. And while that's happening, we're going to make our aioli, then the burgers, and then plating. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon dried parsley, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon dried basil, 1 tablespoon Spanish paprika, teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. I'm just gonna give it a mix. Take your time and get everything mixed up really good. So the mix for the burgers is ready. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. And while it's in the refrigerator, we're gonna start working on our aioli. So for the cilantro aioli, we're gonna start with 1/3 cup chopped and washed cilantro. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I love cilantro. A quick recap. In 1 cup of mayo, we added 1/3 cup of washed and chopped cilantro. And now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon granulated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. All the ingredients are in. I'm just gonna give it a quick fold. Wow. Cilantro aioli is ready, and I just love how beautiful it looks. So this is gonna go in the refrigerator and we're gonna start working on the burgers. I like 8-ounce burgers, so we're gonna measure it really quick. Ooh, off by a little bit. I'm gonna fix that. I have the burgers portioned out. Now we're gonna move on to a really cool part of this recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make perfect and even patties in the simplest way possible. All you need is a piece of plastic wrap and a cover of a container. That's it. I'm using a plastic cover and a piece of saran wrap goes on it flush. We're gonna put it back in so I can adjust the bottom side too. Very gently press it. I'm gonna put a piece of wax paper on and just check this out. Patties are done. I made them 8-ounce because I love big messy burgers, but if you want smaller ones, you can make them 6-ounce, 7-ounce, even 4 ounces if you like. So in a large skillet, I added 3 tablespoons of oil and it got it really hot. Now I'm adding my burgers on medium-high heat. Very important. It's gonna need about 4 to 5 minutes per side to cook. Just gonna give it a quick flip. Wow. The patties are completely ready. I'm just gonna do a double check. Internal temp has to be 165 for them to be fully cooked, and they are ready to come off. And they are good to go. Internal temp has to be 165. That's the cook temp for poultry. So once that's done, now we're gonna start plating. I'm gonna take the patties off and I'm gonna let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna start building. Hard part of the recipe is complete. We have the patties ready, we have the cheese melted on the bun, lettuce, tomato, onion, and cilantro aioli is ready to go. Now, my favorite part, we're gonna start building the burger. Start off with the lettuce. This is it, guys. The recipe is complete, the burgers are plated, and I absolutely love this recipe. I love how simple it is, and I love how epic it comes out. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. I've been dying to take it for a spin. Like I said, I love big, messy burgers. And check this out. Wow. The sausage burger off the hook. Basant style.